Hi guys, it's another day, another vlog. I'm Princess and welcome to our garden. For today's video, I'm gonna introduce and share you guys the view of different varieties of zinnia flowers on our garden. So, let's go! Zinnias. Zinnia flowers or Zinnia elegans are plants from the sunflower tribe within the daisy family. They are native to shrub and dry grassland in an area stretching from the southwestern United States to South America, with a center of diversity in Mexico. Since I'm here in the Philippines, of course, it is available. We started planting zinnias year 2020 and is still ongoing. Now, zinnias are annual, so they'll grow for one season to produce flowers and seeds. But the original plant will not come back in subsequent years. So how do they started and grow? Zinnias' pointy seeds, shaped like little arrowheads, require only basic garden preparation to sprout. Sow them in well-drained soil where there's full of sun, lots of water, then wait for it to grow. As you can see, they're so colorful and long-lasting in addition to the flower garden. You may think zinnias is an old-fashioned flower. Moreover, many Asian people love planting this flower. It is one of the favorites with plenty of new offerings. They capture the classic beauty in low maintenance. Zinnias are all native to Mexico and adjacent areas, and many have been like it. In addition to that, zinnias has 13 species. And it is one of the favorite plants of my parents. So how do you like it? Bye guys! Thanks for watching!